So our learning question is, can I draw pictograms? Now we've had this learning question before, but today there's an increased challenge. Do you know what a pictogram is? Can you tell me? A pictogram is a picture that shows us information. Well done. So, this is yesterday's pictogram, and it was all about favourite colours. And in this pictogram, one circle equals one child, so we just counted this in ones. Today, our pictures will represent more than one thing. So our key won't say 1, it will say a different number. Shall we have a look at one? Okay, some of our pictures will represent 2 things. Now if we look at our key here, it says a rectangle equals 2 animals. And this pictogram is all about pets. Let's read the title together. A pictogram to show pets in year 2. And the pets are, read them for me, dog, cat, rabbit and fish. And each square is 2 animals. Let's find out how many dogs there were as pets. We need to count in 2s. Are you ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There were 10 dogs. How many cats? 2, 4. There were 4 cats. Count the rabbits for me. 8 rabbits. Count the fish for me. 10 fish. So some pictograms, the picture is going to equal 2 things. Some of our pictures will represent 5 things. So this pictogram shows books in each class, and my key says one picture equals 5 books. So we need to count these pictures in 5s. Let's count how many books were in class 1. 5, 10. 10 books in class 1. Class 2, 5, 10, 15, 20. 20 books in class 2. Class 3, count for me. That's right, 2 5s make 10. 10 books in class 3. And class 4, count for me. How many? 15 books in class 4. So some of our pictures we're going to count in 5s, and the key will always tell you. Some of our pictures will represent 10 things. So this pictogram shows teachers' cars, okay? And the key shows me that one circle equals 10 cars. So let's have a look at the blue cars. How many blue cars were there? I'm going to count in 10s. 10, 20. 20 blue cars. How many red cars were there? Well, do you know what 3 10s are? Because there are 3 circles. 3 10s are 30. 10, 20, 30. What a quick way to count. How many silver cars? 10. How many black cars? 30. 10, 20, 30. How many green cars? 20, 10, 20. Should we count how many cars there were altogether, just quickly? We need to count them all in 10s. Let's go. 10, 20, 30. Did you work it out? 110 cars in the car park. Wow, what a busy car park. Okay, what does half a shape represent here? So I've got my cupcakes, and can you see the cupcakes, each cupcake has a value of, each cupcake has a value of 2, all right? So I know on Monday, let's read the title, a pictogram to show how many cupcakes were sold. On Monday, let's count in 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 cupcakes were sold. What about Tuesday? 2, 4, oh dear. I've got half a shape. What must half a shape be? If one shape is 2, can you work out what half a shape must be? Have you guessed? Yes, it's worth 1. So half a shape is worth 1. Let's count in 2s. 2, 4, and 1 more makes 5. Let's count Thursday now, because that's got half a shape in. So, we know it's 2 cupcakes for a whole picture. Count in 2s. We've got to 6. Half of a shape makes 1, which is 7. 2, 4, 6. 1 more is 7. Finally, on this one, I just want us to count Sunday, because that's got half a shape at the end. So we're going to count in 2s, and remember half a shape is 1. Let's go. What did you get to? Did you get 19 cakes on Sunday? Well done. So when a picture is worth 2, half a picture is worth 1. Right, what does half a shape represent here? And this pictogram is favourite sports. And we've got football, rugby, tennis and hockey. And my key tells me that 1 circle equals 10 children. Let's count how many children like football in tens, because 1 circle is 10 children. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 children love football. Now rugby, let's have a look. Got half a shape here. So if 1 circle is 10, what's half a shape going to be? It's going to be 5. Half a shape is going to be 5. So let's carry on and count the rugby row. So I'm going to count in 10s. 10, 20, and 5 more, 25. So 25 children love rugby. Let's count the hockey row, because that's got half a shape. So I've got 10 and 5 more, because half a shape is 5, make, that's it, 15 children like hockey. So when our picture is worth 10, half a shape is worth 5. Okay, you're going to complete page 10 and 11 in your maths booklet, and I'm going to put some audio on to help you, okay? And when you've completed that, please take really clear pictures of your work and email to teachersyear2@birchfields.manchester.sch.uk. Can't wait to see your work. Well done, everyone.